In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view archived lists in Trello. If you've ever found yourself needing to rescue or revisit an old list that you've archived, don't worry, it's easier than you think. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open your web browser and go to Trello.com. Once you're there, look for the login button in the top right corner of the page. Clicking on this will lead you to the login options where you can choose the means of signing in. You can either log in with your email and password or, for convenience, use your Google account credentials if you have them connected to Trello. This option is great for those who want a quicker access approach. After successfully logging in, the next step is to head over to your boards. You'll find this option labeled as boards on the upper part of the Trello page. Clicking on boards will take you through to your workspace. Navigate through the Your Workspaces section where all your boards are listed. This is the hub area where you can access all your ongoing projects. Now you'll want to identify and click on the specific board that contains the archived list you wish to view. Once you've accessed the desired board, your next task is to find the menu. Look towards the top right area of the board and you should see a button with 3 dots. This represents the menu option, providing additional settings for your board. In this menu, locate the archived items option. Clicking here shows you a list or collection of all items you've previously archived from this board. This includes both cards and lists. You might see numerous archived items if you've been using Trello for a while, so don't be alarmed. Once you're viewing the archived items, you might notice that it defaults to showing cards. But what we want are the lists. So find the option that says switch to lists and click on it. This will filter the archived items to display just the lists, making it easier for you to find exactly the one you need. With the list you want now visible, there's just one step left. Click Send to Board to restore that list to its original board, putting it back into your active workflow. This action revives the list from the archives and places it alongside your current lists as if it was never gone. Finally, once you've completed this process, you may want to tidy up by closing the menu. This simple closure ensures you're back at your main view, ready to work without distractions. And there you go, you've just learned how to view and restore archived lists in Trello. Keep this process in mind for those times when you need to recall previous work or reference past projects, making sure you never lose track of important information.